Today I am back to working on my motorcycle. Took it for a ride the other day, and some things needed to be repaired or attended to. So today's that day to attend to it. I got my little toolbox in here. Okay. Glasses, rag. I need some needle nose pliers. I'm gonna need some regular pliers. Got to take this off. The cats, when I have the cover on it, they came in and got up in here under the cover and put their claws in here and popped my comfort seat. It's a cushion with water. Get these off. This back nut. Pull the seat up. I gotta attend to taking that off. Then addressing one of my speakers here. It's almost off. And here it comes. All right. Got my little coon tail. Take my seat off. And take this off. It's a warm day in Arizona. We're getting an early summer, I believe. They're talking about. It was warm yesterday, but today seems to be warmer. Oh, let's see. Maybe I'll keep that off and clean up this back end a little bit. And address what else? This backlight here. Put this away for later. All right. These are really see which one grips better. So I have to take this whole speaker. All right. There's two speakers here on the bike. This one's nice and stiff. This one rattled loose on my last ride. So I'm gonna address that now and get that up and going. And then I'll show you a little bit of how loud it is. All right. Get that bracket off. There we go. Now I can get to the root of the problem. Thanks for watching, tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video from yesterday. I'm taking a ride with my buddies and enjoying a great day out in the Arizona backlands. All right. I got one nut and one washer off. And that's what I didn't want it to do. My sun is on my back. That's pretty warm. Now I always bring like a doggy bowl to put my little parts in that I'm working with, so I don't lose them. And let's address this problem. I'm adjusting the screw for depth to put on the bracket here, so that way it actually goes right to the base of the speaker now. It is getting relatively warm. I have to screw that on. So I'm gonna need the big pliers and hold that in place while I screw that. There we go. Getting some turn on it. Here, I'll give you a close-up of what I'm actually doing here behind the bike. The speaker came off at the base here. So I need to make sure this can go flush with that, but fasten better when I clamp it back on, like how that one is there. It's just a little bit of work, but that's the joy of riding, to constantly work on your bike and keep it going and enjoying it. All right, let me move this over, get this going. So what I'm doing is just moving this back a little bit, that screw, till it's flush. Then I'll get these back on one at a time. It's a little tiny washer and a little tiny nut. And it is warming up here in Arizona. Definitely getting hotter and hotter as the weeks go by. Come on, nut. Catch. Let me try it on the back one first. This isn't. How you doing, boss? One of my neighbors walking by. Alright, that's what I don't want to do. Get distracted. Lose focus. Come on, grip. Alright, that one's gripped. Let me do the next one. Alright. There we go. There we go. Good. I'll tighten those down, clamp it back up, and my speaker should be fastened. Alright. That is done. Tighten that up here. All right. All right. Almost there. Just got to run the washer and the nut. There we go. All right. Sure they're straight and even. All right. Everything's good over there. Let's see. Got to be able to open this so I can charge my phone. Got my phone holder, my water bottle holder there. All right, I just need to tighten this down and fasten some things back up, and I'll be good to go. I've crashed on this bike, and I still love riding my bike. Somebody ran me off the road on Easter. Right, leave you like that. Leave you like that. Tighten you. But this plier don't seem to be very good. But that's where I want it. It isn't going anywhere. Ready to rock and roll. Let's see. Get a rag. Wipe down the inside fender. While I have the seat open. Yep. And now I'll put the bike back together. Let's see. Yep. Put it back together there. Give it a quick wipe down. Start it up. And then I can play some music. Alright. Starting with you. Make sure I don't crimp any wires. All right. Lock in the coon tail. Everything should be getting where it's up and running and totally functioning, registered, insured, ready to ride. Right. So, getting you back on. Gotta have this just right. There. And I am in the screw hole. Yep, locked in. Lock my seat down, and I should be good to go. And I could start it up, test everything. Tighten that down so I don't go anywhere. All right. Oh, I got some more tightening to do. All right. Let's see. Get the key. Kick it over. All right. Even here in the States, I'm sweating. Now I just need to give it a little cleanup. She's gassed up and ready to ride. We just had a rain the other day and some other stuff, so dust. Got to clean your bike regularly. Let me check my signals. Left signal's working. Right signal working. Headlight on. Check the brake lights now. Let me see, check the brake lights. Working. Check the pedal brakes. Working. We are good to go. Can't wait to go on another ride. We went on a 4x4 Jeep ride over the mountains yesterday, but that's another type of therapy. And this is some really good therapy right here. Riding. Definitely enjoy it, love it. Can't get enough of riding. When my buddies call me up, I don't ride daily unless they call me daily. And then I go on my rides with them and enjoy time well spent with friends and family. So again, this is what my day is starting. I'll clean the bike up a little later. It's getting warm. Pack up everything here and get ready to go. And I'll continue with some more later. Some more videos. So continue watching, subscribing, commenting. Hit the notification buttons if you're already a subscriber. I do appreciate my viewers. Definitely enjoy interacting with you guys. I'll make sure I don't melt my shorts on my tailpipe. But yeah, I definitely enjoy my interactions with everybody from all over, from New Zealand, Australia, here in the States, and Fiji, Samoa. You know, the islands I'm born in Long Island, New York. I was born on an island, so it's in my blood somewhat to want to be around water. Plus, I'm an Aquarius, the water bearer. So I try to pull my weight. Definitely a blessing to be able to afford this lifestyle, and not rich. Wouldn't even say wealthy. I'm just skimming along and getting through life, planning for my retirement with my wife. That's the whole process and retirement plan. But I'm waiting for Land and Survey to get their job done in Tonga. I can't even break ground until they officially survey and mark out my property lines. So I'm on hold until then. Now I'm just at waiting on call. I got people in Tonga checking on the Ministry of Land and Survey, and we'll see if that goes and works out. But for now, we get a little drink of water. I'll come back out later, and this always goes there when I travel. So I'll probably connect that up later, clean my bike up, and be ready to rock and roll. I definitely don't like riding with a dirty bike, so I gotta go over my bike before I take off into public. Plus, the bike has a lot of Tonga logos on it, stickers, and so forth. And I'll try to represent the best I can, at least having a clean bike. All right, guys, thank you very much, and have a good day, I hope, a blessed day, until I continue on videoing later my clean bike and going over how much work I've done. Then I'll go from there. So again, thank you.